The people you watch on YouTube, those personalities that fill your screen with entertainment and information, aren't just making videos as a hobby. They're strategically building empires, brick by brick, from the seemingly humble confines of their bedrooms and home studios. They are crafting digital dynasties. They're the new age millionaires, digital natives who have unlocked the secrets of online success. They're modern-day rock stars, captivating audiences and turning their passions into serious, life-changing money, all while forging a new path to financial freedom. Take Mr. Beast, for example. He gives away millions, captivating audiences with his generosity, and has built a global brand that extends far beyond YouTube. Or consider Ryan Kaji, who started as a kid reviewing toys and now runs a multi-million-dollar business empire, showcasing the power of early entrepreneurship. These success stories aren't just lucky breaks or overnight sensations. They're carefully constructed stories of vision, relentless hard work, strategic planning, and the ability to connect with millions of viewers on a personal level. You don't need a fancy degree from an Ivy League school or a corner office in a skyscraper to join their ranks. All it takes is a camera, a compelling idea that resonates with an audience, and the unwavering hustle to bring that vision to life. Thousands of creators from all corners of the globe are already making a comfortable living, proving that this dream is within reach. They're paying mortgages, financing their travels around the world, and supporting their families, all thanks to the power of online content creation. They're achieving financial independence by simply sharing what they love with the world. From gamers captivating audiences with their skills to beauty gurus sharing their makeup secrets, people from all walks of life with diverse backgrounds and unique perspectives are turning their YouTube channels into thriving full-time careers. They're the new middle class of the creator economy, a testament to the democratization of opportunity in the digital age. They're proving that success comes in many forms and that passion, creativity, and dedication can pave the way to financial freedom. The creator revolution is happening right now, transforming the landscape of work and entertainment. And it's more accessible than ever before, empowering anyone with a story to tell to share their voice with the world. These YouTube creators are rewriting the rules of business and entertainment, breaking down traditional barriers and forging new paths to success. They're redefining what it means to have a career in the 21st century, proving that passion and purpose can be a powerful combination. YouTube isn't just a website, it's so much more than that. It's a dynamic platform, a constantly evolving space where creativity knows no bounds. It's a global stage, a digital amphitheater, with billions of viewers tuning in every single day. People from every corner of the earth are active participants in this global conversation. When you upload a video, you're not just sharing it with your immediate circle. Your audience could be literally anywhere on the planet. Tokyo, London, Mumbai, or even a tiny town you've probably never even heard of before. The possibilities are truly endless. People come to YouTube to learn new skills, laugh until their sides hurt, relax and unwind after a long day, and connect with others who share their passions. It's become an indispensable daily utility for billions across the globe. This constant, vibrant flow of viewers creates a powerful and dynamic ecosystem for anyone with something valuable to share or sell. Businesses can reach potential customers, educators can find eager students, and entertainers can connect with their adoring fans. The algorithm is constantly working non-stop behind the scenes to intelligently connect your unique content with exactly the right audience who are looking for it. You don't have to shout or be overly aggressive to be heard. High-quality content, authentic content, ultimately finds its people. YouTube is the ultimate meeting place, the central hub, for supply and demand in today's digital age. If you're creating content for a specific niche audience, YouTube will actively help them discover you and your work. It's like having the world's most powerful and sophisticated marketing team working tirelessly on your side, 24/7. The potential reach and the opportunities available are truly mind-blowing and unprecedented. Starting on YouTube is surprisingly easy these days. The platform is designed to be accessible, and the barrier to entry is incredibly low. In fact, you probably have everything you need to get started right there in your pocket, a smartphone with a decent camera and microphone. There are no gatekeepers standing in your way, no auditions to pass, and no permission needed. You can just hit record, create something you're passionate about, and upload it for the world to see. But succeeding and building a thriving channel? That's where the real hustle, the dedication, and the consistent effort truly begin. It's definitely not just about talking to a camera and hoping for the best. You'll quickly learn to film, understanding lighting, composition, and sound. Edit, mastering the art of cutting, splicing, and adding effects. Design thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click. And you'll need to write clickable titles that are both informative and intriguing. Consistency is absolutely key. Even when no one's watching, even when the views are low, and even when you feel like giving up, you'll inevitably face doubt, questioning your abilities and your content, creative blocks that leave you staring at a blank screen for hours, and of course criticism, some of which will be constructive, and some of which will be downright harsh. But remember, every successful creator, every established YouTuber, has pushed through this challenging phase. The challenge, the struggle, and the hard work forces you to grow and evolve. You become a better storyteller, able to captivate your audience, and a more confident speaker, comfortable in front of the camera, and you'll pick up valuable skills in video production, marketing, and audience engagement. Building a channel is, in many ways, a personal development journey in disguise, pushing you to learn and adapt. You're not just making videos and putting them out there, you're actively building a stronger, more resilient, and more creative version of yourself. The grind is undeniably tough, but it's an integral part of the reward, making the eventual success that much sweeter. Ultimately, the only real barrier standing between you and YouTube's success is your own willingness to keep going, to keep learning, and to never give up on your vision. The money is great. Ads, brand deals, merch, courses. But the rewards go deeper. You gain a voice, a platform, and the power to influence and inspire. You build a community of people who share your interests and values. That connection is priceless. Thousands look forward to your videos and are genuinely impacted by your work. You become a teacher, a motivator, and a source of inspiration. The messages from viewers you've helped are more fulfilling than any paycheck. Fame and recognition open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Collaborations, events, even book deals. You're not just making videos, you're building a legacy. The impact you make can outlast any viral trend. YouTube lets you leave your mark on the world. You've seen how YouTube turns passions into paychecks and ordinary people into creators with extraordinary lives. The stage is global, the tools are in your hands. The only thing missing is your story. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect gear, just start. Your first video won't be perfect, but every upload is progress. Be authentic, talk about what excites you, and let your uniqueness shine. This is your invitation to join the creator community. A journey of hard work, fun, and growth. You can build income, community, and real impact. All it takes is that first step. Pick up your phone, hit record, and share your magic. You have nothing to lose and a universe of possibilities to gain. And don't forget the free tips and tools in the description area of this video. Now go out there and make it happen.